So hello guys, this is Pradeep Bedre and today's video I gonna explain each and every term about the CodeShape competitive programming site. So I cover the that topics like the introduction part of the CodeShape, like a rating system of a CodeShape, how CodeShape rate to every user, and contest about the CodeShape, like how many types of a contest happens in a CodeShape.com, and some tips about the competitive programming on the CodeShape. So you have to continue and let's get started.
So guys, we have to know about the CodeShape basics. Okay, so CodeShape is a competitive programming platform, as you know, guys. So it is an Indian platform. CodeShape is founded in 2009, and it is one of the largest coding platform in the world. And about the rating system is a 1 star to the 7 star, and rating system is important for job profiles and improvement for your resume also, because you want to showcase your skill, then you show the interviewer or that company to your profile of a code shape how many star you have. So it's very important, guys. This is a basic of a code shape. So let's go on the original site. This is the codeshape.com. This is very easy interface of the sites, as you know. So I explain each and every tabs over here. All the tabs are there. So if I click and practice and learn tab, so there are the 5 tabs are there. Okay, so first tab, if I click, then it is a code compiler and run. It's just like a IDE, as you like Sublime text editor or like any text editor like IDE provided by the codeshape.com. Okay, so this is like that, very simple IDE is that. Here is a you open file or run program, enter your code. So here is you select the language. Okay, here download the file of a code, and here is a setting up like that. Okay, stuff is not. So second options in that is DSL learning. DSL learning is also very important topic, and if you those people, if you want to interested to learn the data structure algorithm, this site provide by you the all the material which you want to need. Okay, so this is a very learning topic for the those students who is interested. There is a material available on this site. Okay, so we move to the next tab. There is a search problem by tags. Okay, so if I click on this tab, then there is a very interesting tag which I like most. Why I like most? Because of the you want to the practice a specific topic in data structure or algorithm. So I want to the search problem related to binary search, related to linear search, related to tree, related to graph, related to stack, related to array, like anything you enter here and you search that. Okay, so I want to search about the problem about the binary tree. Okay, here is a binary tree. If I click there and if click on the search button, then here is all the problems are present in front of the me is a binary tree problem. So it's very important stuff like that which I want like more. Yeah, so here is one of the practice and problem and difficulty level tag, so which I want to explain, guys. In on the codeshape.com there are the 4 type of a problem, like beginner level, easy level, medium level, and a hard level problem. Okay, we have to if you click that tab, if you click this tab, then you move to on this site. So here is a beginner level, easy level, medium level, hard level problem. So if you compatible with the beginner level of a problem, then you beginner level of problem and competitive programming, if you as a beginner are compatible with that, then you move to the easy level. Then you if you compatible with the easy level problem, then you move to the medium level, hard level. Okay, this is very tough and this is easy. Okay, so on the challenge tab I want to share with you. On the challenge tab, which the CodeShape provide the all the past contest problem, okay, all the past contest problem since last 10 year. And the last option is a CodeShape Wikipedia. It's all about this stuff like CodeShape. Okay, here is some all the links you can check it out there. So after move to the compete tab, I want to explain some things about the CodeShape. I want to explain all the type of contest on the happens in a CodeShape. Okay, so these three type of CodeShape events are there, like cook off contest, lunchtime contest, long challenge contest. These three type of contest every month CodeShape are provided or CodeShape are arranged on their sites. Okay, so CodeShape cook off contest, all the contest 2 hour, all the contest provided by the night. So and the lunch time contest is 3 hour contest, and long challenge contest is 10 days contest, which is like most. That's why contest is very important for all the things, and these all three are the contest. Okay, so next we move to the rating system of a contest, which is important from the part of this video, rating system. So how to rate the codeshape.com to every user. Okay, so if you have a less than 1800 rating, then you are a division 2. Okay, and if you are you have a rating 80 greater than the 18,000, you are a division 1 user. Here is a rating, here is a 999, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, like this. These all color, okay, these gray colors contains the 1 star rating, these green color contains the 2 star. Here is a 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, 6 star, and highest is a red coder, like 7 star rating. It's very amazing things. Okay, and this is all about the rating system of here. You can check it out, all the rating system. And, if you want to be a red coder, then you move to the 2500 rating up to the, you have to 2500 rating, then you red coder. Okay, if you practice, then you can. I want to explain the compete tab. September challenge, here is all are the calendar of a like competitions or a contest, all the contest. Here is a September challenge, means here is September long challenge schedules, all the long challenge schedules. Here is current month September cook off 2020 schedule, September lunchtime schedule. These contest running on these sites now, so that's why it's showing this. And this is all the future and past contest, all running contest on this site. Okay, if you click there, and it's showing all the running contest, all the future contest. If you click on this button, then it show to the you all the future, like here is, you look it out, 15 September, 17 September, 20 September, 26 September, like that stuff. All the present are there. You can check it out this also. And all the past contest are here, and the contest calendar here. On the contest calendar, it show you all the calendar of a contest, like Google Calendar. It's very easy site, and you can. And here is a contest division, like division 1, as I discussed some time ago. So like that. Here is a discuss tag, discuss from. It is not important for you. This is a CodeShape blog about the all the bloggers or CodeShape users, like a high star rating users are provide the blog. Here you click and read and getting knowledge about that. Here is conversation with CodeShape. If you want to talk with the CodeShape employee, then you click here and talk to with them. Our Facebook community, here is a Facebook link, and like all the options is like that. Is not monthly contest option, like schedule, host your contest. If you are a company, then you want to host your contest on the codeshape.com, like interview, like all the contest coding ground. So then click here and check it out. Talk to with the CodeShape employee. Okay, CodeShape certification, CodeShape school, like it's an options all. It's not important for you now. So this is all related to about the CodeShape, and this is more CodeShape rating. About the rating, all information here you can check it out. CodeShape goodies, here is a rating system also, you can read it and check it out. CodeShape workshop, like CodeShape are provide the workshop, some workshop like here ICPC, IOI, frequently asked questions, like all this stuff are there. It's very easy sites, and you can check it also, like all the things and getting the knowledge. Hope you like this.